Hi everyone, my name is Catherine Yun.
My name is Hongyi Li.
So this is our final project video for ECE420 Embedded DSP Lab. For this project, we have implemented an Android app that suppresses and removes noise from human speech. We have implemented 3 algorithms for the noise removal task. The first algorithm is SNR-based spectrum subtraction, which is based on Beruti's 1979 paper. The second algorithm is spectrum subtraction and residual noise reduction, which is based on Bohl's 1979 paper. The third algorithm is spectrum subtraction and Wiener filter. Also, we have the fourth button over here, which will allow the user to play through the original sound. The user will speak to the microphone in a noisy environment, and the processed sound will be played through the headphones simultaneously. Next, we will go ahead and test our algorithms. We will be testing our algorithms on ring noise, crowd noise, and fan noise, respectively. First of all, this is the original speech input with ring noise. Welcome to ECE420 Embedded DSP Laboratory. And this is the output of the SNR-based algorithm. Welcome to ECE420 Embedded DSP Laboratory. This is the original speech input with crowd noise.
This is a testing audio file for ECE420.
And this is the output of the residual reduction algorithm.
This is a testing audio file for ECE420.
Finally, this is the original speech input with fan noise. Welcome to ECE420 Embedded DSP Laboratory. And this is the output of the Wiener filter algorithm. Welcome to ECE420 Embedded DSP Laboratory. As you can probably tell, the second algorithm with residual noise reduction works better compared to the other two. The first algorithm sounds a little bit choppy, while the third algorithm sounds a little bit robotic. This is it for our final project video, and thank you so much for watching.